Hello, this is about the while loop. Now we're getting the computer to do a little bit more work for us. A while loop is an example of what's called a repetition structure. This block of code will repeat itself as long as keep going is equal to y. So it will repeat, or the technical term is iterate. One iteration is one running of the code. So it also is what's called a pretest control structure. Notice that it tests before it even goes into the loop. It tests to see if keep going is equal to y. If it's not, it doesn't even go in here. So that's why we have to set this beforehand so it goes into the loop the first time. So let's run this module. So if I sold $1,000 and my commission rate is 10%, commission is $10,000. Actually, it's 10 times, isn't it? Do you want to calculate another one? Yes, let's do it again. $2,000 in commission, doing pretty well. And now if I enter anything else, it will kick me out of the loop. So as long as I enter yes, then it's going to keep going. There are other examples. This one here checks the temperature of a room. As long as the temperature is above this maximum temperature right here, it reminds the user to keep checking it again until it gets below. So we can look at this one. Let's go 150, which is going to be too high. Whoa, slow down. Temperature's too high. Turn down the thermostat and wait 5 minutes. You could actually tell the computer to do that, and the computer could control the temperature of the room. Let's try 120. Still too high. Let's see when it gets down to 100. Alright, the temperature is acceptable. Check it again after 15 minutes. So it exited the loop. So here's what happened. First, we set up the condition here to see if we even need to enter the loop in the first place. So I put 150 in here. 150 is greater than the max temp, so it's going to run or iterate this block of code. And then it's going to have me enter the temperature again. If I was to take this out, it would be what's called an infinite loop. It would never exit the loop. Let's run one of those. So here is the infinite loop. While keep going equals yes, and we set it to yes here for the pretest. And it's just going to keep on doing what's in here because there's no condition to get out. Enter amount of sales, 10. Commission rate, 10. Oh, that's great. 100. Okay, 21. There's no way to get out of this loop. It'll just continue to do this until the power goes out. Or you enter the wrong number and the computer fails because there's no check for error. So the error will kick it out. You also, at least on the PC, if you hit set Control C, it'll kill it on the PC. So those are while loops, starting to get the computer to do a little bit more work for you. Have fun. Don't forget the colon here and to indent the block of code, and it iterates this code.